Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Be Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the highlight colors. If normally there will be a highlight color like yellow color, but we can just change the color of the highlight color of your text by using this particular option on your Google Docs mobile. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on subscribe button below. We just quickly move on to the video.
So how to highlight or how to change the highlight color on Google Docs mobile, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, we just open a new document or any template here. So I just going to click on this plus symbol, click on the choose template option. So here I just going to open this resume, so I just can show how the highlight option is used. So for an example, here I just want to mention my skill or company name. You just want to select this and just select which portion of the text that you want to highlight. Now you just need to swipe down. You will see an option on the top on the A symbol which actually opens the text and paragraph toolbar, and here there is the highlighter. You will see, scroll down, you will see a highlight color option. Just click this. So now just choose the color that you want to highlight. Guys, more or less everyone use highlight color as yellow. You can also use as green, or you can just make the shade that you want. It's darker or lighter according to your text color and background. You can use different colors of different pattern of colors which actually you can switch between here. You can just go into lighter version or darker version according to your use. So this is how you just use and highlight your important points on your document in your Google Docs mobile. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with this super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Be Unique. Have a wonderful day.